Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to give you an assignment which is based on using two-dimensional arrays in Java. As part of this assignment, you need to write a Java program to print all the elements of a two-dimensional array in a tabular format. And that 2D array should contain 3 rows and 5 columns. So this is what is the assignment, okay? So let me give you the instructions so that you can write the Java program well for this assignment. So you need to first create a two-dimensional array. Whether you want to create that two-dimensional array in a normal way or shortcut representation way is up to you. Okay, you can do that. So you have to initialize the elements of that 2D array either in normal way or shortcut representation way. And after that, you need to write the Java programming logic to print all the elements of this 2D array in which format? Tabular format. Okay. The output should come in a tabular format, not in a sequential manner or something. You don't have to print all the elements of this 2D array normally. You have to print all the elements of this two-dimensional array in a tabular format. It should look like rows and columns in the output. That's what is very important for this assignment. So now you can pause this video and start writing the Java program. Okay, as part of this assignment. Hoping that you have written the Java program. Now you can resume this video and you can watch the solution that I'm going to give. So that you can cross check your Java program with mine. If both are matching, you're good to go. So for that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Now let me create a new class here. Let me create a new class. I'll just give a random name for this class. Let's say demo L with the main method I'll create. And inside this main method, I'm going to create a two-dimensional array, integer array. Okay. Uh, I can give any type of array, guys. I can create different types of array. I can try integer array or I can also try character array. Let's try character array this time. Character array AR is equal to curly braces. Since it is two-dimensional array, I have to represent the 2D array this way. And here clearly mentioned 3 rows and 5 columns, right? I'll be creating 3 rows and in that 5 columns. Let's say A, all the characters I am printing. Okay. So here, how many columns should be there? 5 should be there. Okay. So that's why I give 5 characters here. So next one, next 5 characters. This is also done. Next one, next 5 columns. Okay. Now I have created this two-dimensional array. You can create integer array, character array. That's up to you guys. Okay. I created a two-dimensional array containing 3 rows and 5 columns. Now I need to write the Java programming logic so that I can print this 2D array in the tabular format in the output. So for that, I can either use for each loop or traditional for loop. Anything is fine. I'll go with the for each loop. For external for each loop, here each and every element of this 2D array is of which type? You see, this is of which type? Character array type. Even this element of this array is also character array type. Even this element of the array is also character array type. So I'll write character array. Okay. CR colon AR. Okay. So here the main array is having 3 rows. So each and every row will be assigned here. Inside that I'll create one more for each where in this character array, if you take this particular character array, in that individual elements are of which type? character type, char type, char, e colon, or you can give anything, e or c, anything you want, cr, char c of cr. Now here I'll write system.out.println. First I'll give like this, print. Now this will not print in the tabular format. If I run this code, you will see that all the elements of this character array will be printed in the output, but they will not be printed in the tabular format. You see, they are not printed in the tabular format. They got printed sequentially. This is not something I want. As part of this assignment, I need to print all the elements of this 2D array in a tabular format. Okay, like 3 rows and 5 columns I want to print. So for that, I have to remove this ln. And here, after the printing the character, I will append with some space. And after the end of this inner for each loop, I'll write a print statement, system.out.println, empty println statement, so that it will take you to the new line. Now, if I run this code, now you'll get all the elements of the array printed in tabular format. You see, 3 rows and 5 columns. Like this, I want the output, right? So this is how we need to write the Java program to print all the elements of a two-dimensional array in a tabular format, that is 3 rows and 5 columns as part of this assignment. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye-bye.